guys, it is April 20th, 2023. This I gotta go do a burner service on a job, and last time I was there, they needed a new oil tank. And I think they might have had someone else do the oil tank. Because it was pretty bad last time I was there. I told them I wouldn't touch it, so I think these are the same people. Anyway, I ain't got no problem if they have someone else do it, you know, as long as it gets done. I won't touch a tank if it's really bad. I talked about that before with the oil spills. And be very careful about that, because it falls under the homeowners. And either way, I mean, you don't want to have an oil spill. I believe they got an oil-fired furnace there. And these are the same people I'm thinking about. Try to get you some shots when I get over there, get some lights down there, and the old once over. It's an annual, you know. A lot of times the homeowner will change the air filters. I'll have to check that too.
The air filters, I change them every 3 months.
Okay.
It's due now.
It's due now. Okay,
yes,
so I'll change that.
I figure if you would do that for me.
Yeah, I'll definitely do it.
Because there's a couple of weeks, it will be.
I've had a new tank put in. It looks good.
It's a good, yeah. Nice
Yeah,
people.
they did a good job.
Quality Oil did it. Quality Oil.
Quality oil.
Does that sound right?
All right, so we're gonna change. It's been how long has it been since they put in? More than a year.
Yeah, it's been like 2 years, but.
All right, we'll get a new filter for it.
Yeah.
We got oil here, and.
Yeah.
All right. Where's your husband?
He's upstairs, so he's not feeling too good.
Yeah.
So.
All right, let me get a filter, and then we'll do what we got to do here with this furnace and
Yep. So.
do the whole service for you. Okay, new filter, new nozzle, and air filter. Yeah, it's been a couple of years.
Well, I did have a guy come when I
20. Yeah.
That's yours, but he didn't even leave me a tag, and I don't know when he came, so I kind of wrote it on top.
Oh, so you had somebody come.
I did have somebody come, but he didn't leave me no tag, and when I found out, I said, I just put any old
Well,
thing
I'm surprised you didn't leave a tag.
You don't need a tag, that was the reason why I didn't want to have it for the morning.
Yeah, it's good to have the tag. All right, let me get a filter, and we'll start on the tank. Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Hello, Miss Molly. Alright, so it's an F4. F4's here. I'll put a new filter in it. I'll be back, Miss Molly. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. Shut the furnace off here, and we hit oil line, which I'm not a big fan of that, but it is what it is. I'm not a big fan of the overhead oil line. Whoa, this thing's loosey-goosey, Mom. Yeah, loosey-goosey. She's loosey-goosey. Sounds empty. Oh, it looks brand new. Looks fine. Filter looks fine. I'll leave it. Looks new to me. I don't need a filter. You don't need a filter. I'm gonna have to pull it through the pump anyway. Get a good flow. Bleed it here. I'm gonna bleed it through the pump anyway. Get a good flow. Overhead line. Need to get a good oil flow out of the pump, change the nozzle. Looks like a good new furnace. Weight oil valve. She was upset with the other guy, he didn't leave a tag. Furnaces don't really run like a boiler does. A lot of times they stay, she's pretty dirty. She's a little lit up. Overhead line a lot of times gets full of air. This should be a 65, 80, 75, 80. For. I guess it could run a 70, 0.50 to 0.85, factory equipped with a 65. Go to 60, 80. That's all you need in a house this size. It's factory equipped with a 65, 80. So you don't need a 75 in here. I want to make sure this is tight. I'm going to have to get a good oil flow out of this thing. That's the next thing we're going to do. If there's any air in it, we'll get it out. I'll make sure that jet tube's tight, because if not, it'll drip. Drop the size down of the nozzle a little bit. Have to readjust the air band a little. We'll see. We start it. Alright. We'll just jump out TT down here to run it. The red and the white. We'll just jump it out with a jumper. And then it'll run. Once I turn the power on, it should run. Like jumping the thermostat out. Once I turn the power on. We're going to get our bucket set up and our hose. I'm going to run it. I want to bleed the air out of the pump, if any. Alright, we'll turn it on. Delay here, so yeah, coming out. See here. See the air coming out. We get a good flow. Do it a second time. I'm not a big fan of these controls. Hold this button in for a second supposed to put it in the purge mode. We're gonna check the fan. Air filter's fine, brand new, nothing wrong with that. Leave it alone. It's fine. I can't hear you, ma'am.
When you're almost done,
Yeah.
just give me a call. I wanted to ask you about a couple more jobs I might want you to do.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Alright, filterette tank was new, nothing wrong with it, I need to change it. New nozzle, good oil flow. Air filter new, clean burner head, reset the air band, and it's on 0.60, 80 degree B, which is a semi-solid. And it should be ready to go. Oil tank's been changed. And the filter's fine, the air filter's fine. You gotta change the nozzle. And we had a 75 in there, didn't need that. We dropped it down a little 60. It'll run better with a smaller nozzle. It's designed to run from a 0.50 to a 0.85 spread.